This is the Smart Tire Inflator. It has the balloon nozzle adapter, a short nozzle, a French nozzle adapter, the fuse, the car cigarette lighter, the inflation tube, the Type-C charging cable, an air needle, the storage bag, and a user manual. It's a smart inflator because you can plug in the amount of tire pressure you need. So for instance, on these tires, I would take the nozzle, attach the nozzle, remove the protective screen covering, turn it on, almost had it. There's our on, and you see it's set to 36 pounds already. You can adjust what you want this set to. So if I need to go to 37, I'll go to 37. I'm just going to take this, plug it into the tire, that tells me the tire's at 16.2 already, 16.4, so it reads this on the top. It's set to 37, and now we fill the tire. And this will stop once it hits 37, or unless I stop it first. That's what makes it a smart inflator. You've also got a light. There's also a light on top. SOS light. Bring it over there so I can show it to you a little closer. So once again, this will be your current existing pressure. This is going to be the gauge that you're going to set it at. So if you want it at 37, you want it at 37.4, you want to go down to 36, go down to 35, whatever you need to do. And then you have your plus and your minus for your air. That is your light button. And then you have your DC outlet, your DC volt input charger if you want to use that. You have your USB-C charger for input, and you have a 5-volt output for a USB charger. Comes with the bag, comes with a little handy little dangling rope. Great item to have in a car.